Yes, boss. Course title: Spring Basics, Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, and microservices. End-to-end learning of Spring takes place in this particular course. So that's why I also called this course as what? Spring Stack course. What stack, guys? Spring Stack course. Okay. Important modules and extensions. Important modules and extension that will be covered in this course are so many are there. Many are there. Some of them I have not written here, guys. Okay, right. Duration of this course 120 sessions to 140 session if you attend everything in a single slot. Okay, no, I have a time constraint, but I need, yeah. What means single sign on only. Okay. So 70 to 90 sessions, nothing but what? Two slots, 7 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. Initially, you have to attend classes in 7 a.m. Once you are ready to attend some other topics parallelly, then I will invite you for what? Evening sessions, which are happening in what? 7:30 p.m. slot. Then you have to give 70 to 90 sessions. Course fee 6,000 only for Spring Stack course. That means everything of Spring. 8,000 if you want to get React JS and what? Angular. Along with the Spring Stack, you want to get React JS and Angular, you have to pay 8,000. But listen one thing, only React JS, only Angular, generally our people charge us 5,000. When you take along with the Spring Stack course, you will get at the price of 2,000 rupees. Okay, guys. Okay, what you will get along with the course? You will get a lot of free topics, guys. Okay, Java real-time tools, nearly 12 plus. Okay, nearly 12 plus real-time tools will be coming. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, these are the various common topics, guys. Okay, these are the various common topics. How to hunt software job, resume preparation and interview tips, and all these common topics will be discussed. Got it, guys? Okay. Without React.js Angular, 6,000 rupees. Okay, what are the prerequisite to attend this course, guys? Core Java knowledge is required. Basics of JDBC is sufficient. No need of having immediate Servlet JSP knowledge. You can attend Servlet JSP classes and this course parallelly. Not a problem. Okay, guys. Who needs this course? Okay, it is required for fresher. It is required for experience. For experienced people, it's mandatory, guys. For fresher, Spring Basics and Spring Boot is sufficient. Learning microservices added advantage. Like this, many things we discussed, guys. Who is called full stack developer? Okay. So when I talk about Java full stack developer, the person should have a Java domain knowledge, database knowledge, testing domain knowledge, UI technologies knowledge, DevOps knowledge, nothing but tools, guys. And lastly, cloud knowledge also should be there. If person is having knowledge on all these domains, then he will be called as what? Full stack developer. Got it, guys? Okay. Fine, boss. Yeah, this is the entire course content, boss. This is the entire course content, detailed course content I have given, and many more will be added to this. Many more will be added dynamically. Okay. So this I will upload. This course content I will upload, guys, to my Facebook group. You can download and you can enjoy. Fine now, boss? Okay, fine. I think fee clash is coming. Okay, as of now, it is 6,000 and 8,000. I will talk to admin once and I will let you know. Okay, now I'll talk to admin once and I will let you know. As of now, you take it as 6,000 and 8,000. Super, guys. Right. I'll upload in the Facebook. I will upload in the Facebook. Course content, I will definitely upload in the Facebook. Right. After the class, you can collect from the Facebook. Shall we get into today's technical discussion? Right, boss. Yeah. What is your batch code, guys? NTSPBMS. Naresh Technology, Spring Boot Microservices. Right. Okay. Yeah. Angular, when Angular and React batch start, I will inform and you can join. 715. 715. March 11th, 2022. March 11th, 2022. Okay, guys. Today our topic is language versus technology versus and framework. Like this, you'll be having file names. Right, boss. These are various details, guys. I'll paste for you people. Right. Faculty details. FB group name, Natras Java Arena. It's a private group, guys. You have to become member of this group. Okay. Initially, I will be giving notes through Facebook. Later, Google Classroom, Google Drive will be created and everything will be shared through Google Classroom and Google Drive. Right, boss. Next, FB group URL. This is the URL, guys. To collect material, this is the URL from where you can collect the material. Email ID, natrasjavaarena@gmail.com. Same as group name at gmail.com. If you are looking for new batches information, this is the URL. YouTube URL. Naresh IT is having YouTube channel, guys. This is the YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel. Got it, guys? Okay, here C language is not required. youtube.com/Naresh IT. Right. Admin details. His name is Mr. Srikanth and it is his contact number. Still, are you able to copy from the chat box? I think Zoom settings only some disturbance is there, guys. In Zoom itself, some settings disturbance is there. Give me 1 minute time. I'll make admin to change the settings. Are you able to copy? Yeah, if you are not able to copy the content, take a screenshot today. Take a screenshot or photo. Vasu, students are not able to copy from chat box. Change the settings. Once again check. Once again check. Right, boss. Shall we get into the discussion? Okay, before that, I would like to ask one question. How many of you are learning this course as your first framework course? This course as your first framework course. Please respond in the chat box. How many of you are learning Spring as your first framework? Yeah, listen, guys. The people who already know Spring Basics, the people who already know Spring Boot, looking only for microservices. Okay. In this batch you will get, but it takes a lot of time. So if you are looking only for microservices majorly, okay, within 1 month, evening 7:30 p.m. slot, I am going to start microservices for the students who already know Spring Basics and Spring Boot. Sir, I know Spring, but I am looking for Spring Boot. In this course, in 7 a.m. slot, if you know Spring already, when I start Spring Boot after 25 session, you can join in this course also. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Okay, this is end-to-end learning of Spring. So we'll first learn Spring Basics, then we'll enter into Spring Boot. We study various modules in Spring Boot style. Then we'll learn web services in the form of Spring REST. Then we'll get into microservices. It's a big, huge course. Okay. So since majority people are saying it is my first framework, so let me start. Let me start from the 0%. From there, I will take you to 100%. So what is Spring? What is Spring Boot? That's the secondary. First of all, we should learn what is framework. Yes or no, guys? Come on. Yes, boss. Now, shall we get into the discussions? Java, C++, next, ADA, good, VC++, and etc. are called what? Programming languages. Yes, na boss? JDBC, Servlet, JSP, JNDI, and etc. are called Java technologies. Next, Spring Boot. Spring Boot is nothing but Spring ++. Spring and many other things. Spring Boot is developed on the top of Spring, guys. Okay. To simplify Spring programming, Spring Boot has come. Okay. Hibernate, Struts, JSF, okay, and etc. are called Java frameworks. Java frameworks. Right, boss? So whenever new terminologies are coming, better to elaborate them. Java server pages. JNDI. What are the JNDI means what? Java naming and directory service. Directory interface. Okay, JSF. Java server faces. Java server faces. Okay, guys. I'll introduce Spring Boot officially later. For the timing, you remember Spring Boot is what? Spring ++. Okay, to simplify Spring programming, Spring Boot is given. Inspired from Robot. Robot simplifies your life. Na? Spring Boot also simplifies Spring programming. Right, boss. Okay, now tell me. Yeah, interviewer asked the question. Can you explain the differences among the programming languages, software technologies, and frameworks, software frameworks? Very, very important question, guys. If I take interview, I never ask what is Spring. I never ask what is Spring Boot. I'll start with to check whether your fundamentals are strong or not. Okay, what is the difference between technology and what? Framework. how tech framework is different from programming language. You know one thing, most of the people fails to answer this question confidently. They'll try to answer, but they never answer confidently because for most of them, it is unexpected question. Got it or not there? It's something like this. Every day we use the word data, 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 data. Someone asked, what is data? You'll be having an immediate answer in your brain. You'll be having immediate answer in your brain. No, you know, but you cannot express. This is also some kind of, this is also similar question. Every day you are saying Java is a language, JDBC is a technology, Spring is a framework. But someone asked, can you explain what is framework? Come on, guys. Can you explain what is framework? What is programming language? It takes time or not, guys? Okay, boss. Fine. Now, J&D is a separate technology, which we learn generally in servlet programming. Right, boss. Shall we get into the discussions, guys? Programming language. Sir, why are you highlighting programming language? Are speaking language is also there, na? That's why I'm trying to highlight it is a programming language. Right, boss. Shall we understand? Yeah. It is a installable software providing, okay, install software providing basic features of application development. Okay. It acts as raw materials. It acts as raw material for software programming. It acts as raw material for software programming. Language gives great API or basic APIs. In core, by using core Java only, we can develop entire web application. By using core Java knowledge only. What we are learning in core Java course is nothing but programming language, right? Okay. Yes, you need not to write a single line of notes on your notebook in your copy. Everyday notes will be shared. 90% of my words, what I speak, will be typed here live. Okay, I will be sharing a lot of PDFs. I will be sharing classroom application from GitHub. Entire workspace will be shared with you. Okay, content will be given through Google Classroom. We are in a digital era. Let's enjoy digital era. Okay, so stop taking photographs, stop writing notes. Okay, nothing. Listen, analyze, respond. Only these three things you have to follow when you are attending my classes. First, listen, then analyze. Whenever I ask a question, respond. Okay. Sometimes you can clarify your doubts also. I request everyone who are attending class through online, use a chat box wisely. Please use a chat box wisely. When certain discussion is going on, put questions only related to that discussion. No, sir, I have a lot of other questions to ask. At the beginning, at the end, I will give time. I will give time. Sir, at the beginning, at the time, I don't have patience to ask one by one. Okay, then you can mail me or you can keep in the group. If you post in the group, not one person, 15,000 plus members will offer. Got the point, guys? Yeah, one more thing. You placed one question in the chat box. I didn't reply. Okay, that means I ignored your question. Okay, that question cannot be answered in the current context. So don't post that question again and again. Hold it in your brain. At the end or through mail, you can clarify your doubt. Every question will be answered at the end of the session. Please use a chat box wisely so that you can focus on my discussions, you can analyze, you can respond, and you can become master of the subject. Let's make our discussions healthier sessions. I will be giving in detailed, in-depth, real-time scenarios based knowledge. To bear me from your side also, lot of seriousness is required. I keep on saying this statement. After attending this course, you can close your eyes and you can show 4 2 years solid cinematic gap as experience, and you can get the beautiful package of 16 lakhs, 17 lakhs per annum. Very soon I will introduce that girl student, guys. She completed her graduation. After that, she has become a bit crazy about government jobs, UPSC jobs. So she lost her 3 years. And after that, she realized I cannot get this government sector job. She came to Ameripet, did courses for 8 months, right from C language to Spring Boot microservices. Okay. And first, in the first entry itself, she got the offer of what? 9 lakhs. Used that offer as what? Used that offer as counter offer, got another offer, 12 lakhs, used that offer as 12 lakhs offer, got another counter offer, 14 lakhs, and somehow she ended with what? 16.5 lakhs. So that much money is there in the market. So after graduation, you got a gap. That is not at all a problem. That is advantage to show gap as experience. For fresher also in Java domain, you can get you can get the package of what? 6 to 7 lakhs. Minimum package for fresher in Java domain is 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs. But if you select a good company, if you present yourself, they don't mind giving even 6 to 7 lakhs easily. Java means money, boss. But that money comes when you have a subject. And that subject comes when you put hard work. Trust yourself, trust me, and trust Java. You will be settled in life. Trust yourself. You have to believe yourself. If you don't believe yourself, no one can believe. Got it or not? Okay. Now listen. Forget about your academic percentages. Take this course seriously. This Java domain courses, 1-2 courses changes your life. Changes your life. These courses are more important than IIT entrance test. And if you clear IIT entrance test, next 4 years education is decided. That's it. But if you do these courses sincerely, next 35 years of personal life and professional life will be decided. Why is personal life, sir? And if personal life is good, if professional life is good, then only personal life will be good. Got it now, boss? So take these courses as serious courses. Fine. It acts as raw material for software programming. Okay. Tell me, guys. It provides compiler or interpreter to check the syntaxes and semantics of the given programs. Okay, syntaxes means what, guys? Rules. Semantics means what, guys? Structure. Do you know one thing? Your Java compiler not only check the syntax, guys, it also checks what? It also checks the structure of the code. I have written import statement in the middle of the class definition. Is it allowed? 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 Are you getting my point? Okay, not allowed. That means it is defined. Checking the structure of the code or not. What is the structure of Java code, guys? First, package declaration, then package imports, then class definition. In that one, member variables declaration, then method definition. Like this, there is a structure to follow, na? Definitely there is a structure to follow. Understanding my statement, guys? Super. Array, remaining all our rules, semicolon not there, flower bracket not there, correct data type used or not. Come on. So, right, boss. Okay. Next one. It acts as base for creating. Base for creating. Okay, what is this? Technologies. That's why I call it as raw material, boss. Technologies, frameworks, operating systems, database softwares, Come on, guys. Operating system, database software, tools, and etc. Tools and etc. Array, you take a Linux operating system created using C language. You take Windows operating system created using VC++. Come on. You take a mobile operating system called Android created by using Java, high level Java, low level C++. Come on. You take iOS, iPhone iOS, guys, created by using a language called Pro-C. Okay, boss. Up to Oracle 8i, the base programming language is C. From 9i onwards, they shifted to Java environment, guys. So programming languages are base. That's why I compare with what? Rice granules and wheat granules. That because they are the basic raw material to prepare the food. Got it, guys? They are the basic raw material to prepare the food. Okay, boss. Examples, guys. Examples. Java. What is the C#, C, C++, VC++, and etc. But okay, boss, etc. Now tell me next one. There are some Java-based language, JVM-based languages, not Java-based, JVM-based languages. Or all of them will generate .class file. Come on. Python is not exactly programming language, it's a scripting language. That's why I'm not writing Python in this list. Sir, why are you not writing Python here? Python is not a programming language, it's a scripting language. Python internal uses some other languages, right? It's a scripting language. You cannot call it as a programming language. JavaScript is a scripting language. It won't run on its own independently. It has to run on the top of something else, right? Without HTML, can we execute JavaScript code? No. It has to be embedded with HTML code. Similarly, Python code cannot run independently on its own, guys. That's the one reason why it is not having security. That's the one reason why Python is not so used in what? E-commerce application, financial service application, websites, in mobile application. As of now, Python is proven only one area, that is data science. Data science. But in the data science, Java is also there. In the data science, Java is also there. Is that clear, guys? Java, Kotlin, Kotlin, Groovy, and etc. All these are JVM based languages, boss. And data science talks about artificial intelligence also. Now listen, guys, what is the beauty of this? When you say .java, after compilation, what you will get? .class. When you say .groovy file, after compilation, what you will get? .class. When you say .kotlin, I'm assuming this is the extension. Okay, after compilation, what you get? .class. But interesting part is we can execute all these .class file by using single JVM. By using single JVM. Are you getting my point, boss? Yeah, many are there. Many languages are there acting as JVM based languages, guys. Okay, that's why these are called JVM based language. Basic JVM is given based on Java now, boss. Right. Okay. Then execution takes place. Okay. Application execution. Right. See, here syntax is different. Here syntax is different. Here syntax is different. But they, at the end, they generate what? .class file. And this .class file can be executed using same JVM. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Okay. Here is my what? Compile. Here is compile. Okay. Sir, then should I learn all these things? Should I learn all these things? Not required. Why? I will tell why. And any new feature in other languages, Java people are copying. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Any new feature in Groovy, Java people are copying. Any new feature in Kotlin, Java people are copying. And there is one more language called Scala. Scala is also JVM based, guys. Okay, you will get .class file. Right, compile. Actually, these languages are really doing well. But why they are not so popular? Immediately Java people are taking this feature and adding in the next release. Adding in the next release. Got it, guys? Okay, I'll tell one thing. Java is known for functional programming. Lambda expressions ra babu. But lambda expressions are not originally given by Java people. Lambda expressions are originally introduced in Scala. Okay, originally introduced in Scala. But we all know Java 8 has given lambda expression. But they have inspired from Scala and they have added same feature with a bit improvisation in Java 8. Entire credit gone to Java 8. Come on. But originally it is not collected from what? Originally it is not given by Java people, boss. It is not the thought of Oracle Corporation. That thought came from some other thing. They have included in Scala, but Java people inspired and added to Java 8 features. Okay, boss. Everyone getting my point here, guys? Come on. So that's why there is no need of learning other JVM based languages. Just learn Java, that is enough. That's why observe up to Java 8 to release each version, they used to take 2 years time, 3 years time. After Java 8, observe at what frequency, okay, they have released Java version. Java 8 to Java 9, the gap is 6 months. Java 9 to Java 10, gap is 4 months only. And certain releases gap is 2 months only. Why? They are seeing new features in other JVM based languages. If they are not there, they may become popular. That's why they are inspiring and adding to Java. And they are also adding regular Java features. Strong competition it is getting from other JVM based languages. Java 8 to Java 16, guys, all happen in the span of 2-3 years. To up to Java 8, they have taken 10 years time to release 8 versions of Java. Now you can feel it. Now you can feel it. How best it is upgrading itself. How fastly it is upgrading itself. So that's why other JVM languages are not at all competitor for us. Okay, guys. Next, Python is not a programming language. It is scripting language because it does not run on its own directly. It runs on the top of another programming language. Okay, guys, language. No one can replace Java, guys. Whatever hype that is created on Python, that is a hype only. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, what is the current Python I'm talking? Someone thinking that Python will replace Java. No one can replace Java. Just now I said, lot of security issues are there. Except artificial intelligence and IoT, no other place Python is succeeded. In that place also Java is there, but Java is also there in mobile application development, website development, e-commerce application, financial services application. Java is everywhere. Python is just proven only in what? Artificial intelligence domain of data science. In that data science, Java is also popular. Got it, right, boss? Fine. And data science domain is not suitable for freshers, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years experienced candidate. Sir, when I should enter into data science domain, when I should enter into artificial intelligence, machine learning, work on Java domain for 7 to 8 years. That time think about, okay, this time think about getting into data science domain. And to become expert in data science domain, lot of mathematics knowledge is required, lot of statistics knowledge is required. Is that clear? Okay. So it is not suitable for freshers and experienced candidate up to 4-5 years. It is for those people who are looking, having what? 8 years experience, already expert in one domain. They are looking for upgradation. That time think about data science. Right, boss. You look at the openings of data science. They ask expertise having 7 years, expertise having 10 years. They will ask profiles like that. Go and search in the Naukri ones. Right, boss. Shall we get into the next one? Software technology. Right, boss. What is software technology? It is a software specification providing set of rules and guidelines in the form of APIs to create implementation softwares using one or another programming language. One or another programming language. Are you getting my point, guys? Right, boss. Using one or other programming language. Okay, just try to understand, guys. JDBC is a software specification that provides a JDBC API representing rules and guidelines that are required to create JDBC driver software as implementation software using Java programming language. Using Java programming language. That means JDBC provide rules and guidelines that are required to create JDBC driver software. Sir, how these rules will come? Array, these rules will not come as English statements, guys. These guidelines will not come in the form of English statement. Again, they will be given as Java APIs. Java APIs means what? Packages having classes, interfaces, enums, and annotations. You know that, right? API means application programming interface. Okay, guys. Srino, just now I have shown the syllabus copy and that will be uploaded. I'm launching base 2. I'm preparing background to launch Spring, my dear. Right, boss. Okay. Now tell me, guys, software technology is not installable, but the software technology based implementation software is installable or arrangeable. Working with the installation software, working with the implementation software of software technology is nothing but working with the software technology. Are you getting my point? Okay, I'll ask one simple question. Everyone is having basics of JDBC. Whenever you want to write JDBC code in your Java application, you will add one jar file to the class path, ojdbc6.jar. What is ojdbc6.jar, guys? Come on. What is a JDBC6.jar? JDBC driver software or not? JDBC driver software or not? Come on, guys. So if you want to work with the JDBC, are you arranging JDBC or are you arranging JDBC driver software? I am not arranging JDBC. I am arranging JDBC driver software. Arranging JDBC driver software, adding that one to class path in the form of jar file, working with the JDBC driver software, indirectly nothing but working with the JDBC technology or not? Indirectly nothing but working with the JDBC technology or not? Are you getting my point, guys? API means application programming interface. In Java, API comes in the form of packages having rules and guidelines. Packages having classes, interfaces, enums and annotations. Enums and annotations. Okay. JDBC is Java technology. Please focus. That provides set of rules and guidelines. Rules and guidelines to create JDBC driver softwares using Java language. Next, JDBC technology is not installable, but the JDBC technology base JDBC driver software is installable. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Installable or arrangeable? Arrangeable. In order to use JDBC in our application, in our Java applications. Okay, boss. Listen, guys. Technology is like a Java course browser, and the technology implementation software is like faculty. A Java course browser contains what, guys? Topic names, rules. Rules only it will contain. Faculty contains what, guys? Knowledge to conduct classes about those rules. Knowledge to conduct classes about those topics. Come on. Okay, you are a student. You want to gain a knowledge. You will think about arranging course brochure or course brochure based faculty. You will think about just arranging course brochure or arranging faculty. Arranging faculty. Come on. And arranging faculty, attending faculty classes, speaking to faculty, indirectly working with course brochure or not. After all, faculty also conduct the classes according to course brochure or not. Technology is like course brochure. Technology based software is like, come on. Technology based software is like what? Faculty. And program student is like programmer. Okay, programmer wants to work with JDBC. He has to arrange JDBC technology or JDBC technology based JDBC driver software. He has to arrange JDBC technology based JDBC driver software. Arranging JDBC driver software, working with the JDBC driver software from Java applications is nothing but working with the JDBC technology or not. You choosing me as a faculty, attending my classes is nothing but working with course brochure or not. Just now I have shown this is our course brochure of Spring Boot and microservices. What it contains? Elaborated discussions about the topic or only topic names? Only topic name. But I will be having detailed explanation about each topic, right? Okay, you attending me, my classes, getting knowledge from me, indirectly spending time with the course brochure or not. After all, I am also conducting classes according to course brochure topics only, na boss. Convinced or not? Okay, guys. Three layers of technology utilization. Three layers of technology utilization. Yes, today I will share the course content. Don't worry. After the class, along with the classroom content, I will be giving course content also. Three layers of technology utilization. Come on. Now tell me, guys. Okay. First layer, vendor company like Sun Microsystem or Oracle Corporation. Right now, for Java, Sun Microsystem is acquired by whom, guys? This. Right. What they will do, guys? What they will do? Gives JDBC technology. Gives JDBC technology. Having JDBC API representing the rules and guidelines of, come on, rules and guidelines of, okay, representing the rules and guidelines to create JDBC driver software. Okay, vendor company, guys. Right. Next one. Second layer. What is second layer? Okay. These people also vendor companies, guys. Vendor companies providing implementation software. Implementation softwares. Right, guys. Now tell me, this is layer 1. This is layer 2. Layer 1, layer 2. Tell me, guys, what these people will do. Vendor company 1. There is a company called Devex company. What they will do, guys? Provides JDBC driver software. Provides JDBC driver software for MySQL based on JDBC technology rules and guidelines. Are you getting my point, guys? Rules and guidelines. Okay. How they will give, guys? They will give in the form of jar file. MySQL connector Java 8.0.23.jar. Some jar file. Array, how JDBC driver comes? In the form of jar only, na? Okay, guys. Right. Arkil Corporation is also. JDBC driver software is bridge between Java application and database software to convert Java instruction to database instruction, database instructions to Java instruction. It's a translator between Java application and database software. Arkil Corporation, guys. Other one is what? Arkil Corporation. What they will do? Okay, provides JDBC driver software for Oracle using JDBC technology rules and guidelines. Rules and guidelines. What is the name of the jar file, guys? OJDBC 6.jar. Are you with me, guys? Come on. Yeah, latest is JDBC 8.jar. Okay, boss. There is a company called Enterprise DB. There is a company called Enterprise DB. Understanding? Okay. One thing, guys, there's a small change in the course fees. Okay. Course fee, maybe. I am not updated. Okay. Course fee, guys. All right. Only for Spring Stack. Only for Spring Stack. 7,000. Okay. Spring Stack plus React JS or Angular. Angular. Okay. 8,000. I just got updation from admin, guys. That's why I'm sharing with you. Sorry. I forgot. Actually, they updated me, but I forgot. Right. Okay. Enterprise DB. It's my mistake. Yeah, if you're an old student, talk to admin, discount will be given. Fine, no problem. Provides JDBC driver software for PostgreSQL, guys. What, guys? PostgreSQL using JDBC technology, rules and guidelines. Understanding my point? Rules and guidelines. Okay, boss. Yeah. See, are you able to copy content from Zoom meeting chat box? Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no. How it is possible, boss? Some people are saying yes, some people are. I think the people who are attending classes from laptop, are you able to copy? Let me ask significant questions. Yes. The people attending classes from laptop, are you able to copy? No. Mobiles? Mobiles? Desktops? Okay, I think there is a technical problem from Zoom itself. Okay, I will talk to my admin. I will talk to my network engineer. I will try to set right the problem. Don't worry. Set right the problem, because few people from laptop saying yes, few people from mobile saying yes, few people from desktop saying yes, and similar count members are saying no also. So I think there is a technical issue with the Zoom, guys. I will sort out that. Don't worry. Yes, boss. PostgreSQL -hyphen 9.0.3.jar. Some jar file, guys. PostgreSQL jar, guys. Yeah, this is layer 2, guys. Layer 2. Sun Microsystem is giving what, guys? Rules and guidelines. Other vendor companies are providing JDBC driver software. Are you getting my point, guys? Layer 3, guys. Layer 3. Please focus. Everyone come back. Programmers. Developers. Okay. Using JDBC. Using JDBC in their applications or projects. In their applications or project, guys. Okay, guys. Right. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Programmers or developers using JDBC in their applications or projects, guys. Now tell me, guys, here is developer 1. Here is developer 2. Here is developer 3. Got the point, guys? Developer 1 for Wipro. Developer 1 for Wipro Technologies. Yes, developer 2. Developer 2 for Infosys. Developer 3. Okay. Developer 3. Developer 3. What is that? CTS, Cognizant Technology. Okay, boss. Now listen. Download JDBC driver software in the form of jar file. Jar file. Yes, guys. Add to class path. Add to class path. Activate JDBC driver software. Okay, in Java application. Okay, guys. Use JDBC driver software. Okay, to send and execute SQL queries. To send and execute SQL queries. Gather results Gather and process results. Gather and process results. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay, now tell me, developer one is like what? Student. Student wants to work with JDBC, guys. He is arranging JDBC, he is arranging JDBC driver. Come on. I didn't highlight everything, Bob. I just given basic highlights. Okay. Tell me, guys. Okay. Using JDBC driver for Aracle in his project. In his project. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Once again, check it out. Okay, developer who is working for Wipro, he want to talk to database software. What he has to do? Download JDBC driver software in the form of jar file. What is that jar file, guys? OJDBC 6.jar, right? OJDBC 6.jar. Add to class path. We have to add that jar file to class path or not? Add jar file to class path. Add jar file to class path. Activate JDBC driver software in Java application. Use JDBC driver software to send and execute SQL queries. Okay, gather and process results. Okay, like this, every developer will start using driver software. Indirectly is working with the technology by using driver software or not? Indirectly is working with the technology by using driver software or not? I want reply. I want reply, my dear. Convinced or not? Convinced or not? Okay, similarly, another developer, guys. Okay, I'll take only 2 developers to get the better idea. Another developer. Developer 2 for Infosys. Who is this guy? Developer 2 for Infosys, guys. Developer 2 for Infosys. Download JDBC driver software in the form of jar file. This time, this fellow wants to talk with MySQL database software. So what jar file he will download, guys? MySQL connector Java some version.jar. This version number is not fixed, guys. Time to time it will change. Add jar file to class path. Activate JDBC driver software in Java application. Use JDBC driver software to send and execute SQL queries, right? Gather results and process result. Okay, he is interested in what, guys? Using JDBC driver for MySQL in his project. Got the clarity, guys? So like these 3 layers are there in technology. One vendor creates the technology rules and guidelines. Lot of other vendors will create the technology based implementation software. Programmer chooses one or other implementation software and uses in his application to complete the task. Understanding my point? Somanatha Rai, OJDBC 6 is the jar file name which represents JDBC driver software. Jar file representing JDBC driver software. Many things in Java will come as a jar files. JDBC driver software also comes in the form of jar file. Okay, now you observe. Naresh IT management or subject expert team of Naresh IT management prepared course brochure having topic names. Core Java course brochure having topic names. Harikrishna sir, taken those topics, kept himself ready to conduct the core Java in his style. Venkatesh sir has taken the same topic, kept himself ready to conduct the course in his style. Okay. One more sir is what? Who is teaching core Java? Satish Gupta sir. Okay. Again, taken the topics, kept himself ready to conduct the course in his style. Come on. Right. You are a student. You are a student. You liked Harikrishna sir way of teaching. You arranged Harikrishna sir, started gaining the knowledge by spending time with him. Come on. Other guy has got what? Venkatesh sir style of teaching he like. He arranged Venkatesh sir. He got the knowledge of core Java from Venkatesh sir. Got the point, guys? So technology designing, technology implementation, technology utilization. Come on, guys. Come on. I hope you are understanding. Here, what is there? Technology designing is there. Designing is done only for one time. Implementation is done in different ways. Technology implementation. Are based on technology, so many products are implemented, right? Okay, next, technology utilization. Right, one more example. Scientist created formula. Scientist created formula. Are you listening? To manufacture water engine. Array, petrol engine, diesel engine is there, no water engine. Tata Motors created engine in their own style. Toyota Motor created engine in their own style. Hyundai Motor created water engine in their own style. But basic rules and guidelines are same. Basic formula is same, right? Okay, guys. Now tell me, guys. Those engines will be used by different cars to drive the vehicle or not? Those engines will be used in different models of cars to move the vehicle, to drive the vehicle. What do you say, my dear? Connected 3 layers are there in technology utilization. Technology designing, technology implementation, technology utilization. I hope you enjoyed my points, guys. Okay. Crystal clear clarity is coming or not? Okay. Yeah. The technology designing. Okay. Designing gives rules and guidelines. In the form of Java APIs, not in the form of English statements. Do you think rules and guidelines will be there as a rule book statements? No, not in the form of English statements. Seriously, sir? Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Tell me. Technology API. Technology. Please focus. API. Interfaces represent. Okay. Represent rules. Why, sir? Why interface represent rules? Simply reason, guys. You have an interface. In that one, 10 methods are declared. When you develop a class implementing interface, all the methods of interface must be implemented or not? Must be implemented. Must be implemented means rule, guys. Rule means must be followed. Guidelines means suggestion. Can be followed, can be ignored. Can be followed, can be ignored. Everyone got the clarity, guys. Everyone understanding my statement, guys. Technology API interfaces represent rules, guys. Technology API interfaces represent rules because all the methods of interface interfaces must be implemented in the implementation class. Convinced, guys? Next, guys. Technology API classes represent guidelines. Tell me, guys, because using the methods of classes is purely optional. Array, you have a class. In that one, methods are there. Someone supplied that class to you. Is it compulsory to use all the methods of that class? Is it compulsory to use all the methods of that class, guys? Purely optional. So, array, rule means must be followed. Wearing helmet is a rule. Wearing helmet is a rule. Wearing seat belt is a rule. You must follow, right? Okay, guys. While driving the vehicle, you should not overtake from left side. Is a rule a guideline? Guideline is not a rule. Because you have 100 feet road, road is having so many lines, 6 lines, 10 lines. When you have 10 lines, 6 lines on the road, if someone is going very slowly and not giving side from what? Right side to overtake, definitely you can have a privilege of overtaking from left side or not. So overtaking from left side is a rule, a guideline. Guideline. Better to follow. If you don't follow, also no problem. But wearing helmet, wearing seat belt is a rule. Got it, guys? Super, guys. Next, technology API abstract classes represent both rules and guidelines. Rules and guidelines, because the subclasses of abstract class must implement abstract method and may or may not use concrete method. May or may not use concrete methods. First of all, tell me, abstract class contains both abstract methods and concrete methods, na boss? Come on. That's why, what is that? Abstract method represent rules, concrete method represent guidelines. That's what. So we can say what? Abstract classes represent rules and guidelines. Concrete classes represent only guidelines. Interfaces represent only rules. Come on, guys. Array in JDBC API packages, whatever classes interfaces you see, all of them are representing rules and guidelines. Today you have seen another angle of interface, guys, another angle of abstract class, another angle of concrete class. Okay, I will take one more minute, boss. Sun Microsystem has given JDBC API having 100 interfaces, 10 abstract classes, okay, 10 concrete classes. That means, okay, they are giving what? So many rules in the form of interfaces, some rules and guidelines in the form of abstract classes, some guidelines in the form of classes. While developing this JDBC driver software, Sun Microsystems applied rules will be implemented, guidelines may be followed, may not be followed, may be used, may not be used. Like this, all these JDBC driver softwares are developed and given to programmers. Programmer take those JDBC driver software, starts using them in their application. Come on, guys. Okay. Scientists created formula for water engine, having some rules to follow, having some guidelines to follow. All companies who are creating those water engines definitely followed rules. Some people have used guidelines, some people have not used guidelines. Whatever it is, water engine is ready. So in car 1, water engine is kept. In car 2, water engine is kept. And what cars are moved away or not? Okay. One more example. Naresh Technology kept compulsory topics to teach, optional topics to teach. Compulsory topics to teach, rules, optional things to follow, guidelines. All faculties, they kept themselves ready to teach compulsory topic. Interested faculty, they also kept themselves ready to teach optional topics. Come on. Student, when you choose the faculty, he will definitely get knowledge on compulsory topics. And if faculty is interested, he will also get the knowledge on optional topics. Come on, guys. Abstract classes, rules and guidelines both are dirty fellow. Christopher, abstract classes contains both abstract methods and concrete method. That's why it represents both rules and guidelines. Abstract classes contains both rules and guidelines. First, try to have that point in your brain. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed, guys. Abstract class, concrete methods, guidelines. Abstract class, abstract method, rules. Right. Okay. Fine. Still technology discussion is not over, guys. If you understand what is technology, you can understand what is framework. Because frameworks are built on the top of what? Technologies. Please, please, I said I will start from 0%. From there, I will take you to 100%. Right now, boss? Okay. See, guys. Yeah. See, guys, after class, I'll approve all your Facebook requests. Please cooperate after class. I will give everything. Right. Yeah. Now someone is asking, sir, what is data? A meaningful information is called data, boss. Right. Okay. Go for 715. Spring Basics. Yeah. This is the URL from where you can get. A meaningful information is called data. No, it's not raw information, meaningful information. Every information is not data, only meaningful information. Okay. NTSP 715, this is your batch code. This is the date. It is the title. This is the title. Come on. Right. Okay. I'll share the syllabus copy also with you. Okay. Syllabus copy also with you. Desktop, guys. Array. Desktop. Course content. Yeah. Now listen, I'm uploading this. On the top of it, many other topics will be added. For example, in microservices, Joule API gateway is not working in recent version. We have alternates. Those alternates will be discussed. For circuit breaker, alternates have come. We'll be discussing those alternates. Okay. So this is what content, guys. On the top of this course content, many other topics I'm personally adding it. Right, boss. Yes. How to download? Go to this section. 3 dots are there. Download. Go to this section. 3 dots are there. Download. Mahadev, contact admin. Admin will help you. Saurav Kumar, you have to start from Spring Boot. Okay. You have to start from Spring Boot. Okay. Because you know Spring Basics already. Wait for 1 month, then Spring Boot will start. Right. Array, this course does not need Spring knowledge. First, Spring basics will be start. From there, Spring Boot. Then microservices. Before teaching microservice, I will teach web service also. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yugal, just now I said, while developing APIs, interfaces are used only to represent rules. Abstract classes are used to represent both rules and guidelines. Okay, new batch of design pattern starts, okay, within 1-2 months. You can now clarify your doubts, guys. Give some suggestion for improving fast typing. Rather, typing tutors are there in the internet. Practice every day. Keep the targets and practice. Duration. Are latecomers, the people who joined lately, for them once again, let me show details about this. Yes. Okay, guys. Course title is this: Spring Basics, Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, and Microservices. End-to-end learning of Spring takes place here. We can also call this course as Spring Stack course because we are learning everything of Spring there. Okay. Duration: 120 sessions to 140 session if you attend everything in one slot. If you attend in 2 slots, it may come down to 70 to 90. Course fee. Okay, just now I got updation from admin. It is just 7,000. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Fee and common topic. These are the various topics that we will learn. Right. Spring Boot configuration required in laptop. Realme, I will tell everything. You don't be panic. How much time it will take to complete Spring Boot and microservices? Just now I said 120 to 140 sessions. Sagar, if you approach consultants people before 6 months, they will run salary account on behalf of you. They will run salary account on behalf of you. Prashant, if you have a core Java knowledge, strong core Java knowledge, you can continue in this batch. Right, boss. Muhammad, you can talk to admin. Deepak, passed out. Can I attach any experience? 2021 till 2022 June, you will be treated as a fresher. But if you are a postgraduate, you can hide your post-graduation. You can show that gap as experience. Okay. Okay. Somanath Rai, thank you for your compliment. Okay. Amul Sabele, in the group, Java basic and interview questions are placed. You can collect from the group. You just search, you will get them. Okay. FB group not connect in my mobile. Siddha Reddy, initially I will share with Facebook. Later I will give in the Google Classroom. Right. Vilas, you talk to admin. If you miss the class, you have to catch up the admin. Okay. Pavan Kumar, Spring Basics is nothing but learning Spring only. Don't be panic. Design pattern is, I think, fees 3,000 rupees. Duration is 50 to 60 sessions. Yeah, today from my side, session is over. If you don't have doubts, you can leave the session. Yeah, Ananya, yeah, PDF materials also there. In the middle of the batch, I will share the PDF documents. Amul, Naresh IT is offering a course on data structure. You can see in the website. You can see in the website, boss. Vishal, when batch started, I will do announcement. You can attend React classes. Hemant, slowly, I will be developing mini projects. That time you will get the analyzation how to design an application. Okay. Srikanth, I cannot talk about months. I can talk about only session. 120 to 140 sessions are required. Right, boss. with 2 slots, 7 a.m. in the morning, 7:30 p.m. in the evening. If we attend in 2 slots, it will be 7 to 90 session. Mohammed, can you talk to admin? He can solve your problem. I have basic Java knowledge, not advanced Java knowledge. Ashwin, immediately advanced Java knowledge is not required. You can continue with this. But before I start Spring MVC, make sure that you got basics of servlets. Right. Vijay, by 8:30, 8:40 class will be over. You can leave the class, not a problem. Design pattern is not free, boss. Design pattern is a separate course. Okay, Rahul, you cannot join this course directly. First learn core Java, then think about this course. Right. Spring Data JPA is part of this course, guys. Okay, Venkatesh, Spring Boot is full of annotation. No question of using XML. Satyababu, you can join, but before I launch Spring MVC, make sure that Servlet basics are there in your brain. Okay, how much? The entire course is on Spring Boot, boss. Once we got Spring Basics, we enter into Spring Boot. From there onwards, all modules will be studied in Spring Boot only. Even microservice also will be studied in Spring Boot only. Got it? Super. Okay. Rohit Gupta, Sudhakar Sarma sir will teach Angular and React JS classes. Realme UI, your laptop, any laptop is compatible to work on Java. Don't think about it. Karela Ram, whether full stack students are eligible for this course or not, I really don't know, because you have to talk to your admin. Okay, guys, can you share us yesterday's demo batch link? Okay, tomorrow I will share the videos of 2 classes, yesterday's class and today's class. Fine. I have 3.5 years experience. Can I keep Java? Srinu, you can go ahead. You can go ahead. But you have to learn multiple technology to try as a full stack developer. Okay. Suresh Kumar, when you show gap as experience, try to avoid Infosys, Accenture, Tech Mahindra, TCS, because these people are doing very strict verification. Okay. Nikhil, only OOPS knowledge is sufficient. You are saying collection. You are in the last class of core Java. You can happily continue in this batch. Technology contains rules and guidelines. Okay. Technology contains rules and guidelines like scientist formula. Vendor companies gives products based on technology rules and guidelines. Nothing but JDBC driver software. I hope, Sharath, you got your answer. No WhatsApp group, no Telegram groups are entertained. You have to stay in my Facebook group. That's it. Okay. Yugal Chavan, just now I said, while designing API, if you want to place both rules and guidelines, in a single class, then you have to go for abstract class. Design patterns are required if you are showing 4 years, 5 years experience. Microservice is one kind of architecture to develop the application. We are going to implement microservices using Spring Boot. Microservice is basically architecture, guys. Spring Stack will happen in 7 a.m. boss. When Angular batch starts, I will let you know. Angular also, we have batches in different slots. According to your time comfort, you can choose the Angular batch. New advanced Java batch takes 1-2 months time, guys. So our course month durations are, okay, I said 120 to 140 session, around 5 months you can take. To show gap as experience, project batch is not mandatory. If we can practice all the mini projects which I give here, there's no need of attending separate project batch also. I think some people are repeating questions, guys. I will be able to make my own website software. Till now, I am confused. Satyanarayana, that you can do at the end of advanced Java only. But after this course, you can develop entire e-commerce application, financial services application. Mahesh, there are some projects which are happening on advanced Java. There are some projects happening on only Spring. There are projects happening on Spring Boot. There are projects happening in microservices. Different companies use different technologies. Aditya, right now, Servlet batch is not there. Once started, I will let you know. Rupa, there is no need of learning web services separately. In this course only, I will be covering Spring REST, nothing but web services. I have knowledge on Spring. When can I join? 7:30 p.m. Within 1 week, you can come for evening batches. Once a new module start, I will invite you for evening batch. Tomorrow class is there because you give first Saturday, Sunday holiday. Yes. I forgot to announce, guys. Okay, next class is on Monday. Please. Next class is on Monday. I forgot to announce. Next class is on Monday. Dhanraj, this is purely industry standard Spring knowledge. Whatever we learn, purely industry standard subject only we learn. In this course, we'll be developing multiple projects, guys. Sudha, no problem. If you have not attended one batch, you can attend another batch. Not an issue. Yeah. If you come, Karthik, if you complete this course, you can show 4 to 5 years experience, guys. Pitta, whether full stack student can sit in this batch or not, your admin will tell. Mohammed, I will definitely talk to admin to solve your problem. Don't worry. Dhanraj, this course definitely covers industry level knowledge that is required to survive by showing 4 to 5 years of experience. Right. Thank you, guys. Right, guys. 70, only few days we will be learning Spring Boss. Okay, 2020 sessions. After that, entire course is on Spring Boot. My main focus on Spring Boot only. Got it, guys? Supam, no problem. I will be developing multiple projects. These projects, you can use it. First show 3 years gap letter, we can any company. Suresh Kumar, your question is not clear. How many students are there in this batch? Nearly 600 plus students are there. But I need you as the faculty for Spring. Madam, so people moving towards Spring Boot. We learn Spring. From there, we will go to Spring Boot. Got it? I have 11 years experience and an automation engineer, Selenium API, mobile. Can you suggest me to learn Spring Boot course? Okay, I think you are a Selenium developer, means you have a strong OOPS knowledge. You can definitely learn. And your package will be, you can try as a full stack developer. Vamsi Krishna, learn this course and you can try as a full stack developer. Pranjya Sahu, talk to admin will talk it. Yes, Pratik More, yes, better to approach consultancy if you want to run the salary account. AOP, ORM, JDBC will be covered. Yes, will be covered. Anil B. Okay, if you miss any session, you have to contact admin. Admin will provide backup videos. Right. Rupa, for Rupa, IT or non-IT, if you are showing experience, you should have experience letter. That's it. Jasant, you are eligible to attend. For morning session, hardly attend before 7:30. Please suggest what can I do? Wait for the evening batch, madam. No option. Beda Pradhan, course is like that. Course is like that. Durations are like this. Content is like that. That's why fee is like this. When your new batch of same course will be started, it takes 3-4 months minimum. In the evening slot it will be started. Okay, you want admin number again? I'm providing here. Take it. No, only initial Saturday Sunday class is not there.